fake. So how the fuck we gon' let them people say what they gon' say? They better learn to stay the fuck up out of goddamn fake. Slap the taste right out their mouth, slap their teeth out, and let them know exactly what this shit here be about. That is my lady, I am her baby. You touch a nigga, she drive me fucking crazy. Say I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you. Girl, I'm rolling with you, baby, I'm rolling with you, baby, I'm rolling with you. Well, girl, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you. Well, you wanna go, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you. Oh yeah. Can't separate from my baby, can't separate from my lady. Fuck the shit y'all niggas talk about me, that shit out here is crazy. Yeah, so many women out here, cause all the men are incarcerated or dead. Lord knows why these niggas out here ain't holler, niggas, they scared. I'm a king, I can have 10 and 12 or 100. It don't matter, you niggas, y'all best to know, ain't all about the hundreds. Money, nigga, y'all know it's funny. Fuck these niggas, they live like them. Boy, that you love, I keep that coming. Black man ain't never running from this boot. I bag my boot, that's my backbone. Represent exactly what goes on in the hood where we live home. Lord no, in the streets we wrong. Sometimes black man alone try to keep a nigga stressed out, keep bullshit all in my dome, nigga. Who created Adam and Eve? Y'all lying, niggas indeed. Tell the motherfucker make me go against my only lady, the one who is producing my seeds. So fuck that shit, that lying shit that you breathe, nigga. Rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you. Where you wanna go? I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you. Girl, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you. Yes, I'm rolling with you. Where you wanna go? Girl, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling with you. Oh yeah, I'm rolling with you, girl, I'm rolling to your paradise. Girl, you know gon' wet, don't gamma, I don't shoot no dice. Fuck that bullshit, what the hell these niggas in red of it? Fuck around with the niggas on fed of it. Bullshit, y'all niggas some lead of it. Y'all niggas better know, better respect, don't let it, don't call no bitch no hoe. Y'all know who that go to, them ones who are the pro. Fucking niggas everywhere they go, trying to get that cash in dough. Nigga, y'all know that for sure. And they don't care about knowing you hoe. They don't care about your feeling payment. I look up at them ladies like they crazy. You can't be meant for me, cause ain't no peace unless you speak. You wanna leave me out here more than weak and broke in the street, bitch, please. I'm a real brother, so I stand up for my own. Until you women get it together and put it in your dome, you ain't gonna never make it out here alone with another mate. Representing how it is, it's a difference between real and fake, nigga.